In this video, we are going to review Gearup Booster vs Lagofast. So if you are tired of lag, hyping, or unstable connections while gaming, you have probably came across Gearup Booster and Lagofast. So Gearup Boosters is all about simplicity and performance. It supports hundreds of games from Valorant to Apex Legends and Call of Duty, and automatically finds the fastest route for your data. Setup is quick, no deep configuration needed. You just select your game and server, click boost, and you are all good to go. So on the other hand, Lagofast brings something extra to the table: pay per minute pricing. That means you are not locked into a monthly fee. You pay only for the time you actually use. It's a great choice for casual gamers who don't play daily. So now, which one is better? If you are gaming every day and want a trusted stable booster, Gearup is your best bet. But if you are gaming casually and want a flexible, affordable option, Lagofast might be the smarter pick.